Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Ads payment method for ad account access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Google Ads payment method, first, sign in to your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Billing and Payments. In the Billing section, find the Payment Methods tab on the left side of the page. Click on Payment Methods to view your current payment options. To add a new payment method, click on the blue plus sign or Add Payment Method button. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Choose your preferred payment type, such as credit card or bank transfer. Fill in the required information, including your card number, expiration date, and billing address. After entering the details, click Save to store your new payment method. If you want to set your new payment method as the primary option, locate the payment method list. Find the newly added payment method and click on Set as Primary. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is now your main payment option. If needed, you can also remove any outdated payment methods. To do this, click on the trash bin icon next to the payment method you wish to remove. Confirm your decision to permanently delete the old payment method. Once you've updated your payment information, return to the billing dashboard. Review all payment details to ensure everything is correct. Your Google Ads account is now up to date with the latest payment method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.